What's up, everybody? We are just leaving the Corralitos Market and Sausage Company. Taking a quick ride down Browns Valley Road. Came recommended, or a co-worker, a friend of mine rode on it or drove on it and thought it would be a fun ride for me, so I figured I'd check it out here. And it's placed ever so conveniently at the Corralitos Sausage Company, so I went and grabbed myself a sausage sandwich. I'd highly recommend it. Fantastic sausages. Gets quite crazy there during lunchtime. Old church, looks like. You can take this road. It eventually runs into Hazel Dell, which is, as far as I can tell, sort of an extension of Browns Valley Road. But you can take Hazel Dell Road the rest of the way up to Madonna Road, which I have a video on that. I will link in the description. A little dirt road out here in Santa Cruz mountains. But I've never been on this road, so I'm not sure what to expect. Lots of orchards so far. As you can see, we are heading to the hills. Quite muggy today. Bike's running great. A little slippery section there. Little Jeep for sale. Now, I've seen lots of road bikers down there at the Sausage Company, and I suspect that this is where they're going. So we may see plenty of them out here. I suppose it would be a good place to ride a road bike. Of course, I always see road bikes on Highway 9, and that does not seem like a great place to ride a road bike. I suppose it does, but all the traffic on it seems a little sketchy. Got the elk sausage. First time I've ever had elk. Pretty good. One time they had ostrich there. That might be my favorite that I've ever had. But they didn't have it this time. They got all sorts of options though. And I've never had anything bad. Restaurant up there? Is that what that said? Yeah, it's quite nice of a dual sport or supermoto road so far, actually. A little abandoned shed out there, kind of cool. Quite similar to Highland Way. Also have a video of that. That runs along the ridge of the split between Santa Cruz and Santa Clara. Also runs into Madonna Road. have to take actually, you have to take Ormsby Way. You could take Ormsby Way, you could take Loma Prieta Way up to Mount Madonna Road. All great dual sport roads. Winery. There you go, if you want to go do some wine tasting. Actually, I believe my coworker also mentioned that as a good Santa Cruz wine. Idea this is where it was. Oh, that was Hazel Dell. Looked like a private road. I thought that Browns Valley ran into Hazel Dell. Maybe that was some other Hazel Dell. We'll find out. We'll see where this goes. Nice washout for you. Unless this here is Highland Way, or no, it doesn't run right into Highland Way. I may have come down this coming from Highland Way. Hazel Dell. Oh yeah, so this is Hazel Dell at this point. Green Valley Road. Yeah, this should lead you right up to Mount Madonna Road. Entirely sure where it switched. Mount Madonna, here you are. Hazel Dell seems to keep going, but that says it's Mount Madonna. See how much further this goes. How How deep into the rabbit hole can we go? Feels nice to be back on the supermoto. Just makes you feel a little more confident than the dual sport tires on these type of roads. Interesting little ride. There's lots to see around here. There's apparently lots of guys running down the wrong lane of the highway though. Lots of old farm buildings, farmhouses. Even a deli. Casserly store. This must be Mount Madonna, the real Mount Madonna. Yep, Mount Madonna. Deli and sandwiches. Not as popular, I can tell you already, as Corralitos Sausage Company, but if you're out here and you need to eat, give it a try. Let me know how it goes. Anyways, for more like this, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.